Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, this is the video research from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. We will continue to talk about the euro currency on the start from the daily time frame, and particularly we will discuss what we could do during the today trading session. Well, first of all, let's take a look at the daily picture. Yesterday we said that right below the market, and the market stands somewhere slightly higher than 130, then was our video research, we said that right below the market stands the solid area of support. Although we haven't seen any signs of the retracement right from that area, we said that probably market could take some pause in the downward move and show some retracement to the upside. And that has happened. So that was the 50% support, 129.76. It's right here, from the whole swing to the upside, from that low to that high. And also that was the monthly pivot point that hasn't been traded yet by the market till the yesterday's moment. So market really touched that area almost pips to pips and jumped out to the upside. Also yesterday I have expressed the doubt that probably market will show some too deep retracement, but now we can see that this has really happened. Market has shown greater than the 3/8 retracement from this swing to the downside, from that high to that low. Okay, and now stands in some area of the 50% resistance of that swing. We will take a look at it a bit later. But how we should treat this price action now? So, well, the major helper to us in that environment is the trend and the overall price action and our assessment of that price action. We said that that was the first pullback on the on the weekly time frame, and in most cases, the first pullback after the solid bearish trend should be sell off by the new participants, new traders who want to join this move to the downside and who stepped in the continuation to the downside. In other words, when the market shows just the first retracement, it has the solid opposite momentum in the continuation of the previous move. That's why it's very often happens that market shows deeper retracement, at least to the 618 support. It's 128.94. Well, and currently on the daily time frame we have no reasons to think that this move will not proceed lower. Why? Because daily trend still holds bearish, as you can see. So we have the daily bearish context for trading, and that move currently we should treat as the retracement inside of the bearish move to the downside. So, despite the fact that this is a really solid retracement to the upside, and probably I suspect that it will still will reach the 618 resistance that we have discussed yesterday, 131.91. It's right here, and probably this could be treated as the potential head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so market could form some kind of the head and shoulders. It's right here. We also discussed this moment. Well, still this move to the upside should be treated just as a retracement inside of this move to the downside to the minimum target of the 128.94. It's right here, and I still think that this target will be reached, and we should use this move to the upside, this retracement, as the good potential for the searching of the sell signal on the intraday chart to enter short the continuation to this move. Well, that is our current view. If market will shift trend to the bullish on the daily time frame and take out that high, then probably yes, we could say that this move to this level will not happen. But currently, since trend holds bearish and that retracement is absolutely normal and logical in this current environment, it is not breaking the overall bearish picture, and it doesn't erase the weekly bearish pattern. That's why we think that this bearish context is still hold on the market. On the 4-hour time frame, what do we see? Trend has turned bullish. This is really a thrusting upside move. It's really solid move to the upside. But take a look at that picture. Well, in fact, if this thrust could be a bit longer and without this really choppy price action, we could say that this is nice context for the bread and butter sell, because that is the move to the upside, reaching a significant area of resistance from that whole swing to the downside. In this case, we could probably tell that this is nice context. But in current environment, since this overall trend to the downside, this move down to the downside was interrupted by that often retracements, and all of that retracement has reached the significant resistance areas, well, I think that this is not quite appropriate to treat this price action as the bread and butter sell. I think that it's better to treat it as just the retracement inside of the swing to the downside. The market has hit the 50% resistance of that swing. Take a look at the higher level. That is the weekly pivot point. Okay, 131.75. That is previous swing low also. That will be also the resistance. And this is the 618 resistance from the whole swing to the downside, 131.91. To hold overall bearish context is the perfect, market should not take out of that level, should not move too deep inside of this swing, because the 618 retracement is absolutely normal and logical, natural for this move and in general for the continuation further. But they are moving too deep inside. This will add a bit nervousness in the overall treatment, overall thoughts about the bearish context. It will put it under question and makes bears nervous about the perspective of move to the 129 area. So that's why during today's trading session I will particularly be watching for that level. Let's take a look on the hourly time frame. What do we have? On the hourly time frame, I see two possibilities that we could say include each other. First of all, this is the potential for the double repo sell on the hourly time frame. We have the nice thrust to the upside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bars to the upside. Very good separation from this green line, that is the 3x3 moving average. Here is market, the first close below the 3x3. So it will be perfect if market will accomplish this butterfly, the reaching, for instance, 131.71 or in proceeding higher to the 131.84 to create the second top that is greater than this one, okay, and then puts back. If at the same time hourly trend will shift to the bearish side, that will be absolutely perfect. But currently, in the nearest hours, in today's trading session, I will be watching for the potential reversal in this area, since we know that the 618 retracement, this level is absolutely logical from the daily perspective, but we do not want to see the deeper move above it. We do not to see how market to take it, since we expect continuation to the downside. Since we have to look for this potential reversal patterns, the double repo and potential butterfly sell in that area. Also, that is the weekly pivot point, as I said. That's important. If market will form that patterns, well, then probably we could try to possess ourselves the continuation to the downside move, because risk-reward ratio will be absolutely tremendous. But this is a bit personal, so because everyone from us using different approach into trading, different styles of trading, different risk management, well, and look at the same patterns differently. So that's the choice is up to you how we will trade this potential environment. Will you trade it at all, or maybe you have absolutely another view on the market? Maybe you have the bullish view on the market and the continuation to the upside. That is also possible. Well, that's just my opinion on the current view, since I think my personal opinion that the overall bearish context on the daily time frame hasn't been broken yet totally. So in that retracement is absolutely logical if it will not proceed higher than 618 resistance. Since I will be watching for the sell possibilities in that area, because the very tight stop about 40 pips above the 1618 level of the complement with this butterfly will let me to enter on the short side of the market with the target around 129 area. So that's very good risk-reward ratio. Even if I will enter by the double repo sell pattern, this will give me even a better risk-reward ratio. So that's our view on the market. That's been said. As a conclusion, we might say that we see that overall bearish context on the daily time frame still holds, and current price action on the hourly time frame give us some possibility and give us some moment that clues that probably market could reverse in that area, because here are some potentials for reversal patterns on the hourly time frame. And why not we could use this for attempting to trade it on the short side of the market. But trade your own trading plan, control your risk. Well, and good luck.